Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooter's Lawn Care here today, and today we're talking about our spring season discount on our fertilization and weed control package. This is actually 5% off on all our application packages except for our lowest tier. We include aeration and overseeding, we include our fertilization weed control packages, our bed maintenance, our hard surface maintenance, all of our landscape fertilization packages, perimeter pest control packages, and mosquito control packages. So now is the time that if you are wanting to save on any of these packages, you plan ahead, you can get your pricing during the month of January, and you can save 5% on the entire package, which really adds up if you use these services year after year after year. And we have a lot of clients right now, just like you, rushing to find out their price so they can get set up. And we're emailing all our clients to keep them updated on this so they can save the maximum amount possible. And this only lasts for this 1 month. This is going to go down 1% to 4% in February, and then as soon as February is out, it will come to a complete close because we will be well on our way into doing applications. Because with applications, especially our pre-emergent application for crabgrass, we need to get that started as soon as possible. And as our client list grows, we can applicate your lawn in February, mid-February. It doesn't matter what the conditions are. The earlier we get the prill on the ground so it can get watered in, the earlier the pre-emergent can create a barrier so you do not have any germination of crabgrass. And early prevention of crabgrass is the way to do it. You don't want to let it come up in your lawn and then have to fight that, because you just can't win that battle. It turns into a thing where it blows up everywhere. If you treat it, it looks really, really bad. And really at that point, all you're trying to do is keep it from blowing out a million more seeds that you have to fight in the upcoming season. So getting on saving money early this time of year for this package, making sure you're signed up early so you can get the earliest applications in February. So you know that our split application of pre-emergent, the first application's down, so then our second application will do that again to really ensure there is a great barrier of pre-emergent to make sure we push off as much crabgrass, keep as much possible from coming up. That's what you want, because once soil temperatures hit 55 degrees, germination starts and the problem begins. So be proactive this year. Also save some additional money, get ahead of this, and start a green, beautiful lawn in 2025.